Hi everyone, I am thrilled and delighted to announce today some two new dashboards which have been released to Roveel. We have the first one, which is a cash bridge dashboard, which is something I used to create for my clients when I worked in practice, but I also used to use it as a tool when I was a finance director working in business. It's incredibly powerful. The second one is probably equally as powerful, which is the rolling last 12-month P&L. Again, something I used to work with my clients on, something that I painstakingly have to create using Excel, exporting all that information out, analysing it, having lots of different row total, column totals, and being very difficult to drill into and understand what was going on. So today I'm going to bring you both of those, now available inside Roveel. I'm going to look at the cash bridge first, which is just under the marketplace. So it's available as part of our marketplace online. And the cash bridge really does show from whatever date range you like. So you can run it for a day, you can run it for a week, a month, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Here I've got an example over the last 12 months. Shows we had just under $1 million in the bank at the start of the period. And closing at 586,000 there. So immediately you can see visually where that money's gone. Okay, here clearly £400,000 in tax, some reserves movement, creditors. So that implies creditors have been paid quicker. So we've got an adverse movement on there. Debtors. Stock, there's been no movement. It's obviously not a business that has any stock. So essentially it reconciles that balance sheet movement. We've got a table here, so you can drill into and understand the detail. You can export that out into Excel if you wanted to present that in that way. And likewise, you can full screen this dashboard. You can export that as an image, drop it into a report, and analyze that. So that is something that I used to create manually for clients, and certainly when I was FD of businesses and CFO, I would create that on a monthly basis. There's now it's fully automated. You don't need to spend any time in Excel. Reduces the risk of errors, reduces the risk of new nominals being added that aren't mapped. All of that stuff that I don't miss. I've then got the rolling last 12-month P&L, which is absolutely superb as a tool to understand the trend and what's going on inside the business. Here we can see turnover was at 10.2 million on a rolling 12 months up to the end of November. It's now dipped to 9.5 million. You know, we've got an issue here. Margin has strengthened. You can see it. It's automatically calculated. You do not need to do anything with this, and this is available as standard out of the box to all of our customers, regardless of what platform and integration you're on. So here we've got the underlying information, so you can see payroll, rent and rates, light and power, motor expenses. And you can further drill down into and see all the individual nominal codes which make up that. It's an incredibly powerful tool. Again, you've got all the ability to export that into Excel and analyze that. You can full screen it and really use the information on screen or dump it out into Excel. Crucially, what you're not doing in Excel is collating, mapping, trying to calculate it. The calculations are all done, they're correct, they're right. You've got security and safety of the information that's being presented in Roveel, and that output is guaranteed. So rolling 12-month P&L is available now as standard, and the cash bridge is available in our marketplace. Check out Roveel.com for more information. Thank you.